Hi you guys, this is Kristen and I'm going to show you guys today how to properly prep your hair for install. Today I will be using Hair Everywhere Deep Body Wave. This is the Brazilian Deep Body Wave that I'll be using. I will also be using TGI Reconstructor shampoo and conditioner that you can find at your local Sally's beauty supply store. A wide tooth comb, Proclaim Argan Oil Intense Hydrating Mask. In this video, you will learn how to properly prep your hair for install. Alright, get ready to watch. You want to take your hair out of the packaging after you first receive your hair. You want to leave your hair in the bundle and comb all of the knots and or tangles that might be in the hair before shampooing. You want to start from the bottom and work your way up. Now that you've combed all of the knots and or tangles out of the hair, you want to go ahead and run water through the hair. Run your fingers through the hair to prevent any knots or tangling. Now you're ready to shampoo. I'll be using the TGI Reconstructing Shampoo. You want to put a dime size of shampoo in your hand. That's more than a dime. And you want to lather the shampoo on the hair in a downward motion. Then run your fingers through the hair to make sure that you clean all of the hair. And this is just getting the hair ready to be shampooed. And you never want to rub the hair together because it might cause tangling and knotting. Never do this. And just run your hands through. Then you can rinse your shampoo out. Pull the hair downward. Now you can use conditioner. And you want to use the same downward motion, making sure you condition every strand of the hair by running your fingers through it with the conditioner in your hands. And now you want to rinse your conditioner out. Keep using that same downward motion. This keeps your hair from tangling and knotting up. Alright. Now you want to use your Argan Oil Hydrating Mask from Proclaim. What I like to do is get a lot of the Proclaim in my fingers, in my hand. And I just rub it all throughout the hair. You want to make sure you condition every strand. So you take your fingers and go through all of the hair. And make sure that you're getting all the conditioner that you put on your hand into the hair. And continue to comb your fingers through. That way, your hair will be ready for install, and it'll be all conditioned. Proclaim suggests that you let the conditioner sit on your hair for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to sit my hair in the sink and wait for 3 to 5 minutes before I rinse it out. It has now been 5 minutes and it's time to rinse out the hair. You always want to shampoo and condition your hair with warm water. It's because the warm water opens up the hair shaft. Opening up the hair shaft lets all the nutrition that you're trying to put in the hair by conditioning in the strands of the hair. And you want to use the same downward motion. And also, you want to check to see if you see any studs or sparkly looking soapy like in your hair. You want to condition all suds out of your hair. You do not want to leave any product in your hair. Now that we have completely conditioned, shampooed, and taken all of the product out of the hair, you want to towel dry your hair and just kind of wring it out with the towel using the same downward motion. Because this hair is wavy and curly hair, now that you've towel dried it, you take your palm and you take the hair and you kind of scrunch it up to activate your curls back. When your hair dries, this will keep your curls activated and refreshed. This will not tangle your hair. Comb your fingers through it again and just scrunch it up. Now that you have towel dried, shampooed, and conditioned and reactivated your curls, it's time for you to let your hair sit and air dry. When you let your hair air dry, you have the best results of the most natural state of the hair. Alright you guys, now you have learned how to properly prep your hair for install, and after you have done so, you should give us a couple of shout outs, a couple of videos, a couple of posts of how you prepped your hair for install and your results. Thank you for watching.